موارد به بعضی از زندانی ها اجازه داده نشد که وکلای خودشون میخواستن انتخاب کنن و دادگاه براشون وکیل انتخاب کرد.
And in some instances, the prisoners weren't even allowed to have lawyers of their choice, and lawyers were appointed for them by the court.
طبق اعلام خود حکومت 4 نفر از زندانیان سیاسی اعدام شدند.
Based on the government announcement, 4 of these political prisoners have been executed.
و متاسفانه تعدادی دیگر هم حکم اعدام گرفتند که البته هنوز حکم قطعی نشده.
And sadly, several more have been sentenced to death, but fortunately, the sentence has not been enforced as yet.
کسانی که دستگیر شدند متهم هستند به کودتای مخملی.
Those who've been arrested have been charged with staging a velvet revolution.
چنین جرمی در قوانین کیفری ما پیش بینی نشده.
Our penal code has no precedence of such a crime.
و منظور دادستان از کودتای مخملی این است که اونها میخواستند کاری کنند که حکومت عوض بشه.
What the prosecutor meant by this velvet coup d'etat was that they wanted to do something to overthrow the regime.
که البته این ادعا درست نیست و کلیه افرادی که دستگیر شدن اتهامشون این اتهام رو قبول ندارن.
Of course, this allegation is not true, and many of those arrested do not accept it.
این انتخابات باعث ایجاد جنبشی شد به نام جنبش سبز.
The presidential elections, the outcome led to the formation of a movement known as the Green Movement.